Okay, welcome back student. So in the previous class we have discussed the fundamental part of data structure, means what is array, linked list, tag, queue. Okay, so in this class we have to start from topic operations on data structures. Operations of data structure. The basic operations that are performed on data structure first operation is insertion. Okay, insertion, searching, sorting. You study the definition part already available in book and you make it by yourself. Okay, I just tell you the concept. There is some operations. One is insertion, deletion, searching, sorting, merging. Okay, insertion, deletion, searching, traversal, sorting and merging, right? Insertion means we have to insert a new element or new node, you can say like that. Deletion means same, delete the element, existing element. Searching means we have to be search the required element in a array. Traversal means we have to be see the order, in which order, okay, in order, pre order, post order, like that. Sorting means it is arranged in a organized way, either ascending or descending. And merging means we have to merge some element, merge some array, or you can say like that. Okay, so first of all, in arrays, this definition is already available in books, you can read by yourself, easily understood. I just tell you. First of all, array, what is array? I don't give you the definition, I already told you. Some questions coming, some problems question, upper bound, lower bound, some topic I show you. One dimensional array means what? Either it is row wise or it is column wise. Okay, this is called index, suppose. Right, and this is the data element, right? Okay, so you see, and this first index is called lower bound. A last index is called upper bound. Okay, this I told you. First index is called lower bound, and last maximum index is called upper bound. Okay, you see. We need to be done a problem. Okay, example, some problem is coming like that. Determine number 1, the length of the following array Second, which value is stored in element at the 5th position. I draw the array. Just write down which value is stored in element at 5th position. It is stored in element at the 5th position, and what is its subscript? And what is its subscript means index. Okay, subscript means index, means 0, 1 to index. Now this is the array. You see, this is the array, one long array, big array there. One, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Okay, you see. First we coming index from minus 12, minus 11, minus 10. Okay, means from minus 12 to plus 9. This is dot 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 means minus 6, minus 5, minus 4, this value will be existed. This is subscript, and element is, the array name is data. The name of the array is data. Array name is, I already told you, this is user defined. Element is 168, 247, 977, 24, means integer value, means same data type. I already told you array is the what? Collection of same data types. 15570. This is dot 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 means some value will be with respect to that subscript 60100 Okay, this is the questions. You see, this is the array which has different integer value. This array is data type was what? INT, means all are INT value, and below is the subscript means index come from minus 12 to plus 9. Minus 12, minus 11, minus 10, minus 9, minus 8, minus 7, like that, etc. It is going on. Minus 6, 5, 4, like 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Okay. Now, what is questions? First one is the length of the following array. What is the length of the following array? And second one is which value is stored in element at the 5th position, and what is its subscript. Okay, you see. First one is length of the, what is the length of the array? It's simple, minus 12 to to minus 10 is what? Minus 12 to 0 is 12, and here is from 0 to 9 means 10. The length is 22. If you count it, suppose like that, if you count it, suppose like the way, minus 12, minus 11, minus 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, 12, 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, like that, means negative number is what? Minus 12 to 0 means minus 1, and 0 to 9, okay? Means from minus 12 to minus 1 and 0 to 9. Minus 12 to minus 1 is what? Means 12 value, and 0 to 9 is 10. Means ultimately length is what? 22. You got it? Means length of the array is, or you can write one, I erase this part. Okay, first question part I erase it. Okay. On formula, after I say length of the array data is this is the formula. Upper bound minus lower bound plus 1, u minus l plus 1. What is upper bound? This 9, and lower bound is this. Also you can easily find by this formula, u, capital U. Means upper bound this value 9 and lower bound is this. Upper bound minus lower bound plus 1. 9 minus this lower bound is minus 12, minus 1 is plus 21 plus 1 22. Means length of the array is 22. Also you can, if you find manually, then also you can find this, but you can find by this formula. This is for your easy finding purposes. Easy, okay, easy purposes. Second one is, which value is stored in element of fifth position? Means 1, 2, 3, 4, 5th. Fifth position is what? Element at the fifth position is 15. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And its subscript is what? Minus 8. And its subscript is minus 8. Okay? Okay, see. This is the formula of the finding the length of the array. U minus L plus 1, U is upper bound, maximum highest subscript, and lower bound is lowest subscript. Okay? The fifth element and subscript is minus 8. Okay. Okay. See, one formula I give you. Address of element with subscript I. Suppose you have to find the address, because the next problem question is finding the address. That's why I first of all give you the formula. Address of, and given detailed notes is also available in book. You can study by yourself. I just give you the formula for your. We have to done some maths, so that's why. address of element address means memory address, okay. Subscript I is base address. I already teach you what is base address. Is first memory address of the array. First memory address of the array element is called what? Base address. Plus es minus bracket under bracket minus I minus L. Now we have to be write what is the es means or this means. Es is the size of an array element. Size of an array element. L is, I already told you, lower bound of the array. Okay. Yes is size of an array element. Means we have to find the array element size. Suppose it is, if it is for int integer element, size will be 2 bytes. Float element size will be, I give you the table in first year. Already I give you the table first year memory element. What is the memory size of the element? For character it will be 1 bytes. If you check the note, you find it. Okay, so we done first question regarding this formula. First one is, what will be the addresses of element. This is the array name. I draw the array. After writing this part, sex -1 and CHECK sex -1 check, okay, check -1 and sex -2. The array name is sex of, or you can in books giving the array name, that's why I write that type, that name. Anything array name coming in the exam also. Sex, this +2, okay, not -2, of following array which element sizes two bytes and base addresses 1000. See. Two bytes, okay? Yes. Oh, now we have to draw the array. This is in the column wise. Array name is check, okay, checks. -3 to 3, -3, -2, -1, 0, 1, 2, and 3. And what is the base address of first element? This 1000. Say, what will be the address of element? This element address and this element address. This, suppose there is some integer element in here. Suppose we can take 8 or 5, anything. Means this element address. Suppose this is first element address 1000. What is the element address of this subscript and element address of this subscript? We have to find using their formula. Understood? And we have given we take element is int data type. That's why we take 2 bytes memory size, and base address are given as 1000. Okay. Now answer is, what is the address with subscript? Subscript -1 means we have to find, or you can write like this. I just erase this array diagram for writing purposes. Address of this array name suppose I will be what is base address plus es I minus l. Okay, l is what in this array? -3, because lower bound is -3, and es is 2, this 2 element size by 2, and base address thousand, right? So we have to find the address of this. Address of element, right after this. base address 1000, yes 2, I is what, -1, L is what, lower bound -3. Okay, means this is -3 plus 3 2, 1 means 2. Finally result will be 1000 plus 4, 1004. You see, 1004. Okay, base address is given by 1000, given as 1000. Yes, element size of what, size of the element is what, 2. Subscript is -1, lower bound is -3. This is a formula, I minus L, subscript minus L, minus plus 3, -1 plus 3 means what, plus 2, 2 into 4, overall 1004. Okay, next we have to find this address of element this. Okay, 1000, yes is 2, -1, not this is the -1, this is 2, subscript is 2, lower bound is 3. Okay, here is what, 2 plus 3 5, 10, 1010. Okay, you understood? Means we have to find, again I am tell you, we have to find the address of element subscript -1 and subscript 2. For -1, the base address is given by 1000. 2 is what, the element size, means int, this element is int, that's why the size of the int what is, I already give you the chart in the first year also. int data types means 2, for float 4 and character 1, and so this is int, that's why this is 2, already given in the question. Okay, I already give you the memory specification of the element in first year. I hope you remembered. Int is 2 byte, character 1 byte, right? And this is -1 and -3. Okay, -1 is coming from date and this 2 is coming from date. This is subscript, I is subscript. The formula is what, base address plus ES I minus L. Base address, ES means element size, I means the subscribe, sorry, that, and L means lower bound. Lower bound is the minimum subscript, and minimum subscript is what in that array, -3. And after the calculation it, you can find 1004 and 1010. This is the answer. Okay, so this is enough for the class. Okay, in next class we can done the further part 1. Okay, and we have to done the searching portion, what is linear search, what is binary search. Okay, so if you any doubt you can ask me. Okay, thank you.